Ohola ithimba elimele umengameli wezwe uyena owenze izethulo zokuqala zokuqagulisana ngamaphuzu enkantolo. Abameli bakamengameli wezwe bafuna ukuthi inkantolo isichithe ngokuphelele isicelo sika Jacob Zuma esihambisana namasamaniso ukuthi kushushiswe ngasese umengameli Ramaphosa. Bafuna nokucela inkantolo ukuthi uZuma avinjele ukuthi angaqhubeki inhlobo nemizamo yokufuna ukushushisa ngasese umengameli wezwe ohleli esihlalweni njengamanje.
Our submission overall is that this objection is underpinned by a misapplication of the law and not a proper engagement with the common cause facts. And we will submit by reference to the proper test for standing and the facts that are common cause that indeed the applicant has standing to engage this court and to seek the relief that he seeks.
Ithimba lezomthetho labameli bakamengameli wezwe limile kwelokuthi incwadi kaZuma yamasamanisi eyashicilelwa ngoZibandlela nyakenye ibhekiswe kumengameli Ramaphosa ayikho emthethweni ngokwesigaba somthetho sisekelo.
We submit that the old authorities which are continued beyond the constitution and are summarized in the interim relief judgment remain good law and are not changed by the SCA or the Constitutional Court, both in the Moyo judgments and in the Tint judgments.
Ithimba labameli bakaZuma eliholwa ummeli uDalimpofu lizokwenza ezalo izethulo zamaphuzu uma kuphothula uhlangothi olimele umengameli wezwe.